Is it going? Going through when we do it to the left, so we're not sure exactly what that is. But this tire is going to be replaced for sure, so we're okay with that. Temporary repair only. Yay, it worked. Okay, this is a repair kit that comes with the Chevy Volt, and we have had tire problems, so we've never really thought to look for this and use it. But it's super handy. If you get a low pressure, you can add air using this, and then you can repair it. There's a sort of like liquid rubber that goes through the tube when you put it on this setting. And so we just used it. Our tire was flat, and now it's got enough air to get us to the station. We've got a giant hole right there caused by some nail we picked up. So I'm gonna turn the car back on so that I can flush out the hose so that the next time we use it, it's not clogged with the liquid rubber. So we just realized that that's part of the step. So I'm gonna turn this back on and flush out, and putting it on this setting. So I have to start the car and then I'll come back. Use it, you have to have the car on. So here I'm putting it on, turning this on, and then press this to get started, I think. Okay. How does this work? He did it the last time. Okay. 1. Apply. 2. Plug in. Oh, maybe it's not plugged in anymore. Is it still plugged in? No, it's not unplugged. Not plugged in. So this has to be plugged into the this has to be plugged into the cigarette lighter, and then we can turn it on. Pretty loud, it's a compressor. So you can see the repair stuff, the goo, liquid rubber going through here. And then now I'm going to turn it to just regular air so that it can flush out the liquid rubber.